Hi everyone, in this video we'll install this battery operated timer on a Decora rocker wall switch. It's great for use when traveling and away from home. I'll leave a link in the description. A plate for a toggle switch is included but is not needed in this situation. The timer operator raises to turn on and lowers to turn off the light switch. To operate a Decora rocker switch, this adapter is installed. Again, up to turn on and down to turn off. This narrow piece rubs against the Decora rocker switch to turn it on and off. I found that it didn't always work and came up with this simple hack. I cut a simple plastic anchor to 1/4 of an inch and installed it onto the adapter to increase the surface area. To install the timer, first remove the 2 faceplate screws. Next, install the Decora mounting plate with the 2 supplied screws. Hook on the timer and open the battery door. Secure the timer in place with the 2 supplied screws. Test by manually operating the switch off and then on. Here's a look inside. Down to turn off, and up to turn on. Here's a quick explanation on the controls. On will stay on. Auto on will stay on until scheduled to turn off. Off will stay off. Auto off will stay off until scheduled to turn on. And back to on. Here's another video you might be interested in.